Good morning and welcome back to Hitchland News on TV1. I'm Muhammad Safa Arsil reporting to you from London.
Heavy rain accompanied by strong winds caught in Gumiwang village, Purbanegara subdistrict, Banjarnegara, witnessed the afternoon. The strong winds caused the roof of house to fly off and caused traffic flow on the main road to be heated. Several motorbikes and cars pulled over to avoid traffic accidents. For the time being, the losses and casualties resulting from this incident are unknown.
Well, that's all Hitchland News today, and for more information, please kindly visit our website www.tv1news.com. I'm Muhammad Safa Arsil reporting to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. See you next time.